Okay, we're starting video 3. We're going to talk about uh, ownership of the asset. Assets are things you own, so that's the cash. You need to understand who actually owns the money. Now, most people have an individual account. It's used by you. If you're married or with a spouse, you might have what you call a joint account, and we'll talk about that. Joint account can be 2 or more individuals. It could be, depends. So with the right of survivorship, and typically in the state of California, if one person dies, the surviving owner has the account and has access to the account. So it's really important to know if you're going to be a joint account with somebody, who actually has ownership to the money. Real important. I'm on 2 or 3 accounts with my grandchildren because I opened them up for them when they were younger. Now they are adults and my name is still on the accounts. So if something were to happen to them, I could actually access the money to give to whoever it really belonged to. Hold on one second a little bit. There's also something called tenancy in common. Well, you don't see much of this though. You actually own a share of the ownership, a percent of the ownership. So it could be 2 or more owners, it could be 3 people, and it could be 33 1/3% shared. Typically, you do not want to have these type of accounts unless you truly know these individuals and trust them, right? Okay, then the next thing we're going to talk about is tenancy by entirety. It is for married couples. And each person has a fixed interest in that. However, I highly suggest this is not the way to go if you're going to do this type of account. I'm going to stop here for a second and pause it. Sorry, guys. So this is the end of video number 3 for chapter 5.